Got a funny request for you, Brian. We're actually interviewing in front of the servers right now, and they're noisy. We want them on, but we don't want them loud. Are you able to pause what you're doing, like, immediately?
I just come in and sit down.
Yeah, come on in.
Sweet.
Good morning.
Good morning. You ready?
I think so. We'll see what happens.
All right.
When I was in my previous company, we knew of systems engineering. They were like the pinnacle. They're on another level. And it feels really good to be here and delivering on what's viewed as the pinnacle of engineering and customer service.
The sheer breadth of coverage you get was from someone like a systems engineering, where you can get help desk services and security services and compliance consulting and just a general good feeling business relationship. That's our secret sauce. That's what makes us a little different in this community.
I love technology, I love people, and really was inspired by the work that systems engineering did in the community.
Every sort of industry is a little bit different, and one of the things that we've really tried to do is to get very close and very intimate with a handful of industries, such that we can deliver expertise to those businesses that live within those industries that's super relevant to them.
Understanding of the business drive is probably the most critical part of what we do. How do you use technology as a business driver for you as an organization? That's where I think we do a better job than anyone else, right? Is elevating that use of technology to allow it to become an asset for the businesses that we work with.
I love what I do. I like it when things go wrong. I like jumping to the opportunity to fix something.
We like to be busy, we like to be challenged. We don't want things to be easy. My skill set is never giving up.
We're going to do everything we can to prevent a breach. That's not necessarily going to be enough. And hopefully you've got a really good plan in place so you're not sitting around panicking and thinking, thank God these guys were here to save the day for me, because we're all just following the checklist that we've already built 5 years ago when everything was calm.
I'm a Maine boy. I've been here my entire life.
I'm a lifelong Mainer. I grew up here. You venture out and visit other places, you're like, oh, well, it really is nice to be in Maine.
In a beautiful place with a stellar quality of life here.
I'm a kid from Maine, and I really appreciate what this organization brings to the area, to the region, and to the employees in terms of opportunity. We deal with the same technology, same solutions that you're going to find in New York City or Singapore, or you go down the list of any major city. We're delivering the same technology, same opportunities to our people here in Maine and New Hampshire that you could find in a major city. I think that's a huge deal.
What you don't get from an MSP who's in one of the major metro areas is that small town look and feel, that real care and feeding that you get from working with someone like a systems engineering.
People actually care. They genuinely care.
There's this thing about competing really on a world scale, but being just a small company from Maine. And we don't have geographical boundaries.
We've always had a focus on internal growth. We want to take our technicians or our entry-level team members and build them to be this incredibly knowledgeable engineer just at systems engineering.
I think being in a culture of continuous learning helps you get smarter, be better, and make an impact in the communities and with our clients as well.
You have the opportunity to get exposed to not just the technology, but the business and the relationship sides as well, which I think are really critical.
When I think about what's our independent measure of how good our team is, and I'm hearing from our vendors that these are the best of the best, and it's people that have worked here their entire careers, that's a pretty good benchmark for me to know that this is a great landing spot.
There's a lot of reasons we're here today. It's great to see everybody again. It takes every single one of us to get this job done on a daily basis.
If you're going to survive, if you're going to thrive in this industry, you really have to be on the forefront of change. You have to be willing to go there and understand what that looming change looks like and really take it on board.
This industry is completely about change all the time. We thrive in the change.
The business leaders we're working with don't have time, nor should they be expected to stay up to date with every technology trend, right? But they know that they need someone who they're partnering with to stay up to date with all of those trends. And so when I look at the partnerships we have, the businesses that have entrusted us with their technology for a long period of time, I think ultimately it comes down to they trust us to stay on top of that and to adapt over time.
I love change. We want to be aware of what's coming, and I think we arm ourselves with what we can to be ready.
In this crazy world, we're truly just trying to do the right thing.